Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome again. Today we're going to take a look at another interesting little accessory that's going to be great for like your action cameras. So if you have a GoPro or a DJI camera or one of the other action cameras out there and you're looking for a way to be able to mount this, especially using a unique magnet, powerful magnet at that, this product right here might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's take this guy over to the desk, take a look at exactly what we get in the box. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a look at what we get in the box. So we do receive a little starter manual to kind of walk you through how to use this backpack clip, but it can be used for a variety of different things, including your Pocket 3 camera. So it does come with the little mount for the Pocket 3. That's really nice. And you also receive a standard GoPro mount. So that's going to work for mounting onto the little GoPro feet. All right, this is really large. This is the clip itself. As you guys see now, this will be great for clipping it onto like a backpack or something. I do like that. Now, what's unique about this is that it utilizes these magnets. So when you place this into the socket, you just rotate it. It's going to lock in place like that. And then to release this, you can rotate it to whatever angle you need it to be if you're going to be mounting this on a backpack or something else. But it also has a really strong magnet here on the back that's going to be great for adhering this thing to metal surfaces. Okay, so let's say we wanted to disconnect this guy here and maybe use something else. You know, like I said, there's a variety of different ways you can mount this. It also comes with this little 1/4-20 mount, and that's going to marry up with this, the way you guys see that. So if you wanted to mount that to a camera that, you know, utilizes a 1/4-20, it's going to be perfect for that as well. So pretty much everything, guys, that you need to use this mount, regardless of what type of camera you're using. So if you're using a Pocket, you're using the Osmo Tail Air, you're using a GoPro, whatever the case is going to be, everything that you need comes in this little bundle. So definitely give this guy a look, guys. I think this is going to be a great solution for a lot of people out there who are looking for ways to create content, to record themselves, then doing DIY stuff. This is a win. And well built, guys. This is really, really well built. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.